Pakis lang naman.
Oh. Something else. Oh, but it's not fun. Ayaw nila sumama.
Hello everyone, it's Dan and welcome back again for another vlog here in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to celebrate my mother's 66th birthday here at Classic Savory Restaurant here at SM Mega Mall. And today we're actually in full force. My mother, my 8 siblings, and my mga pamangkin, my nephews are also here, and we're going to celebrate it today, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. So what are we waiting for? So random vlog lang po ito. I hope you're gonna like it. I just wanna share how happy my mother is during this occasion. So yeah, let's do this.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, nanay. Walang kanila. O, dali. Meron ka lang. Mag-picture ka na lang. Dami mo yung cake.
Hingi tayo ng kanyang mensahe. Paiyakin natin si Mother. Yan. Here. That's my mom over there. Ay, hawakan mo. Mother, hawakan mo.
Saan ba? Ayan, basta magsalita ka dyan.
May message. Basta, message.
Ako yung message ko.
Message mo.
Ha?
Start.
Bigyan lang yung mga anak ko sa
Sa?
magagandang pangangatawan at saka bigyan lang ng mga mahabang buhay. Yan lang po. At saka sana yung mga apo ko lahat magpakabait. Wag na.
What about RJ? What is your message to Nanay? What are you gonna say to Nanay?
Saan ang message? Saan yung start? Sige na, hindi na magsalita ka na. My wish is Nana's always not long life. I miss you too, and I'm gonna leave Montalban now. I'm not on literally on Mandaluyong. I don't know why, but about Nanay, I miss Nanay. Yep, I miss him. Yep, I miss him. Yep. And happy birthday to you, Nanay. I love you very much, Nanay. Thank you for your foods and your dessert. And thank you for treating me like your babies, and thank you.
At saka pwede pa? Pwede pa? At saka kuli, gusto ko, Lord, bigyan mo po ako ng mahabang buhay para makasama ko pa yung mga anak ko. Iyak!
So that's it, guys. Narinig nyo na ang kanyang mga hinaing sa buhay. Yes. Yeah. Roxy, what are you gonna say? Ay, hindi na ba? Ano ba yan? Napaka-oy. Ay, ito na lang yung mga favorite.
Ang I wish yun nga more blessings to come, tsaka pinakamahalaga mahabang pa buhay para kay nanay. Ayun lang. Happy birthday. Pakis lang naman.
Are you sure ano more? No, this one. Iba naman to.
Anong ulam?
Giniling.
Oh, Father. Sige. Nasaan ako, Lord?
Gift we are about to receive
Lakasan mo.
from Dai.
Dai Bounty.
Grabe naman siya.
There's something else.
Oh, but it's not fun.
Like a
Himala. Umayaw yung mga dalaga. Ayaw nila sumama. Nangyari lang yun. May gagawin sila naman mag-tiktok. Kasi hindi ako marami daw kasi sila ako.